I gotta say, probably just being able to walk into the home for the first time and touring it. This is a beautiful area, and just seeing the home for the first time and knowing that right there, this is probably gonna be our new home. It was pretty impressive. And my name is Zacary. This is my daughter Hayvnn and my son Cree. Our first home was a new build, and so we learned a lot from that first experience. We knew what we wanted and what to look for, and when it came to Tabor, just a different level of professionalism and presentation, and everything that it had to offer. It was just way better than our first experience. So it was perfect for our growing family. My wife also worked from home, so being able to have that office space and rooms for the kids, an extra living room upstairs, it was almost a no-brainer that this is where we needed to plant our roots. It was almost too easy. It was like too good to believe, but it was very smooth. We didn't feel rushed or like we had to make a quick decision. Everybody was very patient with us and answered all of our questions, all of our concerns and worries. So yeah, it was just an easy process. Favorite thing about the home, I have to say, is the kitchen, the backyard patio, and the upstairs living room. These were all things that I didn't think was possible to have or that we even needed until, touring this home, the Poppey floor plan, for the first time. So it just brought so many things that we didn't even know we needed to our life. Oh, most definitely, yeah. Any family member or any friends or coworkers that's looking for a new home, I would definitely recommend Tabor for them. I'm just very grateful to be here. To actually find out about Tabor has just been a blessing to me. Thank you.